Hi everybody, today we are doing partial products for multi-digit multiplication. Whether you're doing the digital copy like this or you have the worksheet, the steps will be the same. So we're going to go ahead and get started. First step for partial products is to take this 56 and put it in expanded form in these top boxes here. And if you're on the digital version, all you have to do is click and type. So we'll do the green box. The 5 in 56 is really a 50 because that 5's in the tens place. And then the blue 6 is just a 6. That's how you write 56 in expanded form because it's 50 plus 6. Then the 9 is on the other side of the multiplication sign. We're multiplying against it. So we're going to put our 9 down here on a different level in the red box. Now we're ready to start multiplying. We're going to do green versus red, and you can see that in these boxes over here. We'll write it in green versus red, and then we'll do blue versus red, and we'll put that in these boxes. So 50 times 9, and then 6 times 9, and we can follow these arrows too. 50 times 9. Anytime you're multiplying something with a 0, forget that it's there for a sec. 5 times 9, and then put the 0 back in. So 5 times 9 is 45. And then we put the 0 at the end. Therefore, 50 times 9 is 450. Then we'll come over here and do 6 times 9. 6 times 9 is 54. So we have done 5 times 9. Well, actually 50 times 9, which got us the 450, and then 6 times 9. So all we're doing is we're splitting up the 56 and multiplying them by 9 one at a time instead of all at once. Then we're just going to add them all together. So we're starting over here on the right, and we are going to start on the right. 0 plus 4 is 4. 5 plus 5 is 10, so we're going to put the 0 in and carry the 1. And then 1 plus 4 is 5, so we got 504.